Let's see. Overall, we're probably 16 inches. Is going to be close. I may have figured out what I'm going to do with that little kubota. The little thing runs like a top. I mean, like a little sewing machine. If I got room, I think this is where it's going to go. Bear with me, I got to walk out here in the field, past the little boneyard. Oh, somebody's shooting their Nerf gun out here. Oof. It's gonna be close. Of course, it can stick into that door a little bit. I didn't think to measure the length. I think I can make it work. Those pins sticking out, they're going to be cut off anyways. Those are just temporary. But literally all this machine needs is this one belt to run everything. I need to make sure that can clear, which that can be moved. That's the hydraulic reservoir. And the exhaust, I might be able to actually run it up in that if I need to. I really hate modifying stuff, but I might even have to run it straight out the back. Just make a nice neat hole somewhere. If I can do this, that would be the ideal power plant for this little bobcat. I've got to go pick up the wider wheels and tires for it. Excuse me. And I still got to get my lines made. I need to get them capped up before mud daubers get in there. But if I can get that kubota in here, this will be a heck of a nice little machine. We'll see what we can do. Thanks for watching.